So this is a quick video to show you how to use markup.io. It's a great tool that we use for getting feedback on any kind of visual media, especially websites, landing pages, etc. And you'll get a link from us, and once you've set up a username and password for markup.io, then you will see the piece that we're asking you to give feedback on in front of you. Now this really is like a plug and play type system. So all you would need to do is, let's say you don't like this this image, you would click on the image and you would add the comments, please change this for a less circular image, and you could then post, and it will automatically bring that up, and then our team can comment and resolve things as we go. So as you scroll through, you can then say, this link goes to the wrong place. Although when you get your homepage to review, remember none of the links will be active. But if you're busy reviewing internal pages and links are incorrect, you can say, if you need to edit something, you can then sort of do that. You can put in a screenshot of sort of what you're wanting to be there, or a link. And you can, of course, use emojis, because we love to have emojis. You can say, change the background color. And, sort of if you need to highlight it as being red. So it's easy then for you to give us really clear feedback as to what you need changed on the page. If you are then doing internal pages and you need to move between, if you then click to browse, you can click into another page. And you'll then see that this is now a different page, and you click on to comment, and you will be able to start adding new comments for different pages. But on our side, it will be linked to the page that you made the comment on. So this title is incorrect. Post. Okay. If we have to now click on, it now shows you that this is on the different page. So we know exactly where we are fixing things. We do get notifications once you have done that, but once you've finished, please have everybody that needs to have input do that before you then send feedback to us. It does become very disruptive if you send if you put some comments on there and then send it to us, and we go on there and resolve them, and then you say, but there's other comments. So try to do it one step at a time. So if you can have all stakeholders view and make comments, and then let us know that it's ready for the changes to be made. Any questions, please just reach out to anyone on the team.